Looking to add a splash of fun and comfort to your bedroom? The Nightmare Before Christmas Queen sheet set brings your favorite characters, Jack Skellington and Sally, right to your bed. With vibrant colors and a cozy feel, this bedding set turns bedtime into a joyful experience you'll look forward to every night. What sets this sheet set apart is its premium quality. Crafted from 100% polyester microfiber, it's incredibly soft and lightweight, perfect for year-round comfort. The fitted sheet measures 60 by 80 inches, while the flat sheet is generously sized at 90 by 102 inches, fitting most queen mattresses with ease. Plus, the pillowcases, each 20 by 30 inches, feature 2 different prints, giving you a little extra style flexibility. And because it's fade-resistant and easy to care for, just toss it in the washing machine on cold and tumble dry low or air dry to keep it looking fresh. This set isn't just about comfort, it's a great gift idea too. Whether for a child, a Disney fan, or anyone who loves unique bedding, it brightens up bedrooms, guest rooms, vacation homes, or even RVs. The colorful design sparks excitement and makes going to bed something to look forward to. Plus, if you want to create a full-themed room, the Nightmare Before Christmas collection offers coordinating bedding and accessories to complete the look. Our family-run company stands behind every product with pride and care. We focus on quality and customer satisfaction, offering non-toxic bedding that's safe and durable. When you choose this sheet set, you're not just buying bedding, you're investing in a trusted brand that values your comfort and happiness. If you're ready to upgrade your sleep space with a fun, soft, and easy care sheet set, this Nightmare Before Christmas Queen bedding is worth a look. It's designed to make bedtime comfortable and colorful, so you can enjoy peaceful nights wrapped in your favorite movie characters. Try it when you're ready to bring a little magic to your bedroom.